cutlass, ready to take my first big test pass of the year, running against this Evo. It's just a open test and tune at Friday night at Pacific Raceways. We're going to get started here in just a second. Burnout here. Just kind of wanted to do a medium burnout. I knew I wasn't going to launch the car, but I'm just doing a test pass. Didn't get it up on the two-step or anything. So just got some nice heat in the tires. Some blow by coming out of the breather box at the base of the hood there. Of course, the engine died. I wasn't prepared for that, so I had to fire it back up, shift it to neutral, line her up. And again, you can see here, I only bring it up to like 2,000 RPM. I don't get on the two-step. I'm not making any boost whatsoever. I roll into it, boost comes up, right past the guy in the Evo. Right there after the 2-3 shift, it shut down on me. Not sure what's going on. I still have oil pressure, I still have RPM. It's not making a terrible noise that I can hear in my head, in my helmet yet. So I moved over to the side, watching for the other guy to make sure I don't collide with him. Slow the car down. And then I noticed that, oh, it's not running. So I'm trying to start it while I'm rolling again, not shifting to neutral. Thinking the car had just shut down. It's making a terrible noise now. So finally bring it to a complete stop. I can kind of notice that smoke coming out the hood. Desperately trying to get this thing to start. Or not, it actually started and ran. Later find out that the number 1 and number 2 rod and piston failed and are sitting in the blanket. And then I ended the recording here a little early. There was a bit of a kerfluffle amongst the track crew. But that's a story about how I had about 6 seconds of acceleration, and that's that. Oh, yeah. Didn't record any data.
I didn't get any
Only
data.
got this video.
Great.
Wonderful.
Okay, no fire.
No fire, but we're